Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here with another barbecue tips and tricks video to make your barbecuing life a little easier. In this video, I will show you a couple of hacks you can do to light up your barbecue pit in no time and get grilling ASAP. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest my channel has to offer. And if you like the products you see in this video, don't forget to check out the description on this video. I have left links to Amazon and Walmart to get your hands on your very own. I am an affiliate with both of these companies, and every purchase made through those links helps support my channel. Now let's get lit. The first hack to get your pit all lit up in no time is this flamethrower. I know it's a little extreme, but it gets the job done. This bad boy attaches to your propane tank and gets your charcoal going fast. Turn it on and light up your charcoal by aiming at the base. Stay for a couple of seconds and move around to get your charcoal lit up evenly. Doing this for about a minute to about a minute and a half has just saved you at least 30 minutes of waiting for your charcoal to get going using the traditional way. Not to mention, it sounds really cool. This next tip can be used even if you don't have a flamethrower. Let's assume your charcoal is lit, but it's taking too long to get it up to temp. You can use a leaf blower to speed up this process. Believe me, you'll be blown away by the results. Aim the leaf blower at the base of the fire and let it do its thing. You don't want to go full throttle here. A little does go a long way. You can tell it's working by the glow you see in the charcoal. Just repeat the process all over your charcoal and you're done. What would have taken you between 30 to 45 minutes has taken you less than 3 minutes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you try it out and let me know how it goes. Catch you guys on the flip side.